Three simple ways environmental and climate professionals can promote clean air in Africa. Three simple ways environmental and climate professionals can promote clean air in Africa. Once again, I welcome you to the Clearlift Africa Mentorship Program with Dr. Edwin Isotu Ede. Now, the Clearlift Africa Mentorship Program has a vision. The vision is to lift an ordinary Africans with potentials to do extraordinary things and achieve extraordinary results that will transform his or her life, within 3 years. And in this mentorship program, we have three major domains. The first domain is public health and environment. The second domain is career and personal development. And the third domain is strategic leadership and enterprise. So once again, we shall be looking at today three simple ways environmental and climate professionals can promote clean air in Africa. Number one, professionals in environmental health or professionals in climate change and in public health should embark on massive tree planting. Massive tree planting. You see, massive tree planting is so important because trees absorb carbon dioxide, which is the gas that is released by human beings. And then it cools and moists our air, it creates oxygen and acts as filtering systems to clean our air, soil, and stabilize the ground against erosion. So trees are very, very important for the environment and to promote human health. Importantly, we also need to know that there is a massive deforestation or destruction of forests going on in Africa. Africa has only 23% of our forest coverage, as against global best practices or the global status of 25%. So these areas that are not, a lot of areas in Africa today are undergoing massive deforestation. People are cutting down trees without planting them back. According to United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, 22.7%, or about 674,419,000 hectares of Africa is forested, and the whole of the other areas are non-forested. So given the massive deforestation going on in Africa, it's important that environmental and climate change professionals begin to embark and encourage massive tree planting so that we can create more oxygen. These trees can help to serve as carbon sink that will reduce air pollution and makes the environment and makes human to be very healthy. Number two is that the environmental professionals must invest and encourage investment in renewable energy. You see, the renewable energy is the option in this generation right now, because over-reliance on fossil energy is no longer the order of the day, because this clean energy pollutes the environment less. We're talking about investment in solar energy, we're talking about investment in wind energy, investment in hydro energy, and so many areas. And these renewable energies are energies that Africa has this energy potentials in abundance. There is within the sub-Saharan Africa, within the Lake Chad Basin, and in tropical Africa, you see that there is intensive exposure where Africa is actually situated in the equator. And this situated on the equator means that we have sunlight almost between 12 hours of the day and even more. So that gives us a great opportunity for Africa to invest and for professionals to encourage investment in renewable energy. By investing in renewable energy, we will automatically be addressing the issue of clean air, because this kind of energy pollutes the environment less, does not releases carbon dioxide and other air pollutants. Number three is that environmental and climate professionals must begin to influence government policies, must begin to influence the government itself to implement policies that will curtail emission from industries. A lot of industries are polluting the environment without giving attention, without taking into consideration the consequences it has on the environment and also on human health. So as an environmental professional, as an environmental climate change professional, as a public health professional, you must learn how to influence the government to see how they can begin to implement policies that will better or promote clean air in Africa. Once again, thank you so much. If you're interested to learn more about public health and environment, if you're interested to learn more about climate change, and also want to have an accelerated career growth, join the Clearlift Africa Mentorship Program and learn more from the community. Thank you so much.